thing. Okay, so now it's showing as I am in live. Hello, 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 hello everyone. So forget what's going on here. So today I just let's so today we are going to learn the basic things. Hello everyone. Okay, so in today's lecture we are going to learn the basic concept of DSA. So what is DSA? So DSA means data structure and algorithm. So what is basically data structure means what is first of all what is data? Data means it's a you can say your name, your roll number, your image, your etc., your phone number, etc. This is a raw info. Raw means that's a raw. We can call it a raw. It's unprocessed. This is a unprocessed. So this data nowadays, this data is as a very important plays a very important role in our IT sector. In our I can say it's play a very important role in our day-to-day life. So okay, so data first of okay data. So data after so to store this data, we have a data structure. We need to have data, what data structure, data structure. So data structure means suppose तुम अगर खाना खाने जा रहे हो खाना खाने खाना खाने जा रहे हो तो for that purpose you need a plate. Similarly, for your food, like for your food, you need a plate for eating, or for storing the water, you need like a water tank. So similarly, for storing the data, we need a data structure. Okay. So storing the data, we need a data structure. So what kind of data structure we have? We have like arrays, or storing the, as I can say, homogeneous element. Okay, arrays, as well as I have a string storing the character, or I can say group of character type value. Okay, so these are the things, a string. Okay, let me erase all these things. Okay, forget about it. So as I can say, I have a arrays. I have a arrays string stack queue linked list, and I have a tree queue try graph as well, and varieties of data structure we have. So this arrays, basically this arrays is used to store homogeneous element. Like suppose you want to store your name, suppose a group of 10 student name. Okay, so for that you can create an array name as a Rudra, then A, then B, then C. So you can store varieties of homogeneous and element. Okay, so this is the power of array. Similarly, string is used to store character, or I can say group of character. Okay, similarly stack queue. So stack and queue are the similar data structure, similar not. These are use two different concept. A stack uses their FIFO concept, sorry, LIFO concept, last in first out. Okay, last in first out, or I can say first in last out. So these are the two same things, means whenever in a stack, so you want, this is you can say stack of book. Okay, so similarly there is a varieties of stack of book, means you can insert 2, 3, 4, 5. So this first 5 will be performed firstly, then say 4 will be performed, then 3 will perform, then 2 will perform. So similarly stack have this kind of things. So queue also, let me explain what is queue data structure. Just a brief introduction, okay, not just enough. I will explain everything in day by day. So I think I just want to conduct this live stream every day, 2 to 3 hours in a day. So it makes me feel good. Okay. I don't care about how many students are watching or not. I just feel good. That's why I conduct the live stream. Even I have a lot of work, still I conduct the live stream. Okay, so forget about that. I just here to explain something crazy for you. So if you have till now don't subscribe, just press a subscribe button here. Let me see how many students are watching till now. Okay, forgot about that. So, as today's concept is we want to learn the basic things of DSA. So, uh, for now, you just need to understand what is DSA. Okay. So, DSA, as I have said, that data structure part, and now I just explain the algorithm. Algorithm. Okay. Algorithm. This is the, you can say these are the procedure procedure that how you gonna to store your information, store your data, So this algorithm tells how you want to store your information. Okay. So okay. So first of all, today's topic is going to be an array. First of all, okay. Today first we will learn basic programming language. Basic programming. You just before starting DSA, you just have to learn this basic programming. Basic programming means it could be a programming language only. Programming language only. Okay. So what is the programming language? It makes connects communication with computer. So this is the task of a programming language, because a computer understands the binary language, and even you are unable to communicate computer with binary language. So we designed a language system with a computer, so that can be connected with you and computer system. Okay. For now, you just understand this purpose. So what are the programming language we have? We have a Java, we have a Python, we have a C, C++, C Sharp, and R, JavaScript, and I can say what I can say varieties of programming languages. I forgot what. So I just put a playlist of Java for DSA. For DSA, I just put a playlist on Java DSA on my YouTube channel. As you can go and you can uh, learn also. So otherwise you can learn from anywhere. I don't even care. I just want to learn. I just want to touch to students. So that's why I'm coming here. So the Java playlist are available. You can go through it and you can just learn that. So, and what the basic things we will learn in from today's, which now is and the entire stream will be conducted through Java language. Okay. So whatever I taught, whatever I code, that will be from Java. And for beginner also, I can, those who want to learn Python from the Python also, I also maybe helpful to you. So I also show the code from the Python also, and Java also, C from also, C++ also. Don't worry about that. But from the basic of your understanding, you can just convert my code into your programming. Preferred programming means your Python. You can convert my code. You just get the logic from my code and you can implement it on your code. Okay. So that's the basic thing. It's very difficult for me to explain from every code like Java, Python, C, C++, C Sharp. It's very difficult for me, right? So, first of all, I want to start from you the basic concept of DSA. That's the basic rule of DSA that you should know. Basic rule of DSA. What the basic rule? Just tell me what the basic rule. Okay. So basic rule. First of all, importance of DSA जानते हैं भाई? क्या जाता है importance of DSA? So DSA का क्या क्या importance है बताओ? DSA भाई तुम्हारा लॉजिक बनाता है ये. लॉजिक स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है मतलब कोई भी चीज को तुम बना सकते हो. आप नहीं सपोज तुम जावा में बना सकते हो, तुम पाइथन में लिखते हो डीएसए, तुम कोड किसी भी लैंग्वेज में लिखते हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बस ये तुम्हारा लॉजिक बनाता है. लॉजिक बनाने से क्या होता है भाई? लॉजिक बनाने से कुछ नहीं होता है बोलते हो. नहीं, लॉजिक बनाने से होता है. सपोज यू वांट टू बिल्ड योर लॉजिक, सो एट दैट टाइम for building some application through the programming language, you can building your web application, you can building your Android application, iOS application. So for adding some new feature, for handling multiple of user, for building something crazy on your platform, so you need to build some multiple feature. So this strong logic may help to you to build your strong application. Okay. So this are the and it's very important. और very जितना लगा सकते हो तुम लगा लो. पर प्लेसमेंट पर्पज। प्लेसमेंट के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि तुमको जानना चाहिए व्हाट इज डीएसए। बेसिक रूल भाई, कोई बात, कोई कंपनी तुमको मतलब पूरा मास्टर करने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा है। अगर तुम अच्छे कंपनी के लिए ट्राई करो, जैसे फैंग कंपनी, फैंग मीन्स फैंग कंपनी like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, whatever you. And for the MNC, you can easily crack the basic DSA. Basic DSA. Okay. So forget about that. So let's start with the DSA from the topics of array. From the arrays, we will start learning DSA. Today, I will start basic things of array and some basic programming through array. Taught you some crazy things from array. So DSA, okay. So arrays, start from arrays, okay. एरेस भाई होता ही क्या है भाई, ये एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है। डेटा स्ट्रक्चर होने से क्या होता है ना, डेटा स्टोर करता है भाई तुम्हारा, कोई भी डेटा जो है ना वो स्टोर करता है तुम्हारा, डेटा स्टोर करता है। फिर एरेस क्या कौन सा डेटा स्टोर करता है भाई, तुम्हारा कोई भी इंटीजर वैल्यू, कोई भी तुम्हारा स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू, कोई भी तुम्हारा फ्लोट वैल्यू, कोई भी तुम्हारा डेसिमल, सेम डेसिमल, फ्लोट डेसिमल सेम थिंग्स। सो these are the storing some numeric value, or they will also I can say your string value. So if you don't know what is the types value, variable, all these things basic, if you don't have any basic knowledge about that programming, so I can do I can't do anything. So you can just go through the any kind of YouTube channel, or I have a playlist. You can go through that and you can learn through that link also. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Otherwise, I will try my best to explain you to make you understand. So arrays, it's a storing that only homogeneous kind element, only homogeneous kind element, and basically it's a linear data structure, right? Linear data structure. Linear means what, bro? Linear. Linear means linear. It's basic thing. You have also know that what is linear, right? So arrays क्या होता है, कैसे काम करता है, चलो अभी बताता हूँ। बेसिकली अब मैं बताया कि arrays क्या होता है। ये एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है, लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, मतलब लीनियरली स्टोर करता है, एक के बाद एक के बाद एक, और लीनियरली परफॉर्म करता है। कोई भी ऑपरेशन बोल लो तुम, चाहे कोई भी ऑपरेशन बना लो आरए से, तो वो लीनियरली करेगा बस। और ये स्टोर करता है होमोजेनियस काइंड एलिमेंट, ओके। सो मेक इट क्लियर। Just make it little bit left. There is, I have a bad handwriting. Not bad, it's not good, not a bad, not, just say not good. So what is arrays, I have tell. So let me explain what is, well, how arrays work. So what is the internal structure of array and how the array works. Suppose array is internally creating and creating itself in the memory. How do I insert it? If I have how internally array works. Make it, I have So basically array have a structure like this. So this each part is called as your index. So this is your zeroth index, this is your 1, this is your 2, this is your 3, this is your 4, this is your 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, hold on. What's the problem?